Welcome to Our Family Pantry. Today we are going to combine eclairs with cake and make chocolate eclair cake. So we're going to start out with milk, whipping cream, or Cool Whip. You can use either one. And I'll get a video out to show you how to substitute whipping cream and Cool Whip. And then you're going to need 2 boxes of vanilla pudding and graham crackers. I ended up just using 1 box, but I had 2 just in case. So you start out with getting your pudding into the milk, and I like this big 8-cup measuring cup to do this in. And then I just get my trusty hand mixer and mix all that in for a few minutes. And all the ingredients and instructions will be in the description box below. And then you start to fold in your whipping cream or your Cool Whip. And the easiest thing to do is to just kind of be gentle with your cream because you don't want the air to come out and deflate it, but you want to get it all mixed in. So I just kind of use these big circles to kind of incorporate the bottom to the top and just keep moving, mixing it around, but not beating it. You don't want to be too hard on it. And so we just get the rest of that cream in there and get it all incorporated. Use your figure 8s. Make sure you got everything from the bottom. And that's the advantage of this clear bowl, is that you can look on the bottom and see if it's all mixed in. Looks like everything's pretty well mixed in here. And so now I'm going to get my graham crackers in my casserole dish. And this is a 9x13 pan. And then you just fill it up whichever way you can. These first 2 layers are just going to be the layer of graham crackers and then half of this cream mixture. And you just spread it out evenly and try to get all of those graham crackers covered, because this cream is what's going to turn those hard graham crackers into something nice and cakey and smooth. And then you do your second layer of graham crackers, and then you add the rest of the remaining cream mixture. And then you just get that all on there and spread it evenly. And then this is your third layer of graham crackers, and you just get those on there. This you don't even have to be super pretty about or particular, because it's going to get covered with our chocolate ganache. Now ganache sounds kind of intimidating, but really it's just milk, vanilla, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. You could use a canned frosting if you want, but this is super easy. So I've got my butter, my vanilla, and my milk. And that's going to get warmed up in the microwave. And then I'm going to add my cocoa powder. And I like to mix the cocoa powder into that mixture before I add the powdered sugar. And then I'm going to add my powdered sugar and get everything all mixed in and incorporated. And I just washed my 8-cup measuring cup that I had my cream in, and I'm just reusing that. So we get that all mixed in. And then there is our beautiful topping. It's what's going to make it look like an eclair. And it's a really nice frosting or a glaze that we've got on there. And then you just spread that around. And the hardest part is going to be to cover this and refrigerate it and wait the 12 hours that it's going to need. Now, in my experience, it is so delicious. I remember we had this at my baby shower for my first child. And so this has been a long-time favorite, and my kids and husband just adore it. It's a perfect dessert for family gatherings and cookouts or barbecues. You can just keep it refrigerated until you're going to serve it. It is delicious. It's a wonderful no-bake cake. Gotta try it.
This is delicious.
We hope you liked this video and enjoyed this recipe, and we hope it inspires you to try it as well. Thanks for watching.